Welcome to this lesson on carbohydrates, one of the three major macronutrients essential for life. Carbohydrates, often called sugars and starches, serve as the body's primary energy source. They fuel everything from your brain function to muscle contractions. Throughout this video, we'll explore what carbohydrates are, their different types, and why they're so crucial for maintaining your health and energy levels. Carbohydrates are organic compounds made up of three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Their general chemical formula is CH2O subscript N, where N represents the number of repeating units. The name carbohydrate literally means hydrated carbon, which reflects their molecular structure. These molecules can range from simple single units to complex chains containing thousands of sugar molecules linked together. Carbohydrates are classified into three main categories based on their molecular structure and complexity. First, we have monosaccharides, which are simple sugars consisting of a single sugar unit. Next are disaccharides, which contain two sugar units bonded together. Finally, polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates made up of long chains of many sugar units. Each type has distinct properties and plays different roles in nutrition and metabolism. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates and cannot be broken down into smaller sugar molecules. The three most important monosaccharides all share the same molecular formula, C6H12O6. Glucose is blood sugar and serves as the primary fuel for your cells. Fructose is found in fruits and is the sweetest naturally occurring sugar. Galactose is mainly found in milk and dairy products. Despite having identical formulas, these sugars have different structures, giving them unique properties. Disaccharides form when two monosaccharides bond together through a process called dehydration synthesis. Sucrose, or table sugar, combines glucose and fructose and is extracted from sugar cane and sugar beets. Lactose is milk sugar, made of glucose and galactose, and is the primary carbohydrate in dairy products. Maltose, or malt sugar, consists of two glucose molecules and forms during the breakdown of starch in grains. During digestion, these disaccharides must be split back into monosaccharides before your body can absorb them. Polysaccharides are long chains of glucose units linked together, but their structure and function vary dramatically. Starch is the main energy storage form in plants and is abundant in grains, potatoes, and legumes. Glycogen serves as animal energy storage, primarily in your liver and muscle tissue, and can be quickly broken down when you need energy. Cellulose provides structural support in plant cell walls and acts as dietary fiber, though humans cannot digest it. Chitin is a structural polysaccharide found in fungal cell walls and the hard outer shells of insects and crustaceans. Carbohydrates serve four essential functions in living organisms. Their most important role is energy production, providing the main fuel source for all cells, especially the brain, which relies almost exclusively on glucose. They also function in energy storage, with excess glucose converted to glycogen for quick access during physical activity or between meals. Structurally, carbohydrates like cellulose and chitin provide support and protection in plants and animals. Finally, carbohydrates attached to proteins and lipids on cell surfaces enable cell recognition and communication, which is crucial for immune function and tissue development. Carbohydrate digestion is a multi-step process that begins the moment you start chewing. In your mouth, the enzyme salivary amylase starts breaking down starch into smaller chains. This process pauses in the stomach due to acidic conditions. In the small intestine, pancreatic enzymes complete the breakdown of complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. These monosaccharides are then absorbed through the intestinal wall into your bloodstream, where they travel to cells throughout your body for immediate energy. Any excess glucose is transported to your liver and muscles, where it's converted into glycogen for storage. Carbohydrates are found in a wide variety of foods, each offering different nutritional benefits. Complex carbohydrates include whole grains, brown rice, oats, quinoa, legumes, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy and important nutrients. Simple carbohydrates are found in fruits, honey, milk, table sugar, candy, and soft drinks, offering quick energy but varying in nutritional value. Fiber-rich sources like vegetables, fruits with skin, whole grains, nuts, and seeds support digestive health. Starchy foods such as potatoes, corn, bread, pasta, rice, and beans are concentrated sources of energy. Choosing whole, minimally processed sources ensures you get the most nutritional benefit. Let's review the most important concepts about carbohydrates. First, carbohydrates are your body's primary and preferred energy source, especially for your brain and muscles. Second, they exist in three forms: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides, each with distinct structures and functions. Third, complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy release and essential dietary fiber that supports digestive health. Fourth, digestion breaks all carbohydrates down into glucose, which cells use to produce energy through cellular respiration. Finally, choosing whole grains and fiber-rich carbohydrate sources over refined options promotes optimal health and stable energy levels throughout the day. Understanding carbohydrates helps you make informed dietary choices for better health and performance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.